Good day everyone, welcome back to Now That Is Dope, and today what we're talking about is tech mainly for your cars, tech mainly for your cameras. And what I'm talking about right now is this right here. This is a power suction cup mount, and let me tell you why this is so cool. So recently I did a track day with some friends. They bought some crazy cars. This is from my second channel. It's called In the Details. Maybe I put a link up to this, and we took some crazy cars with us on that track day. And I wanted to get some of those nice like wing shots, the tire shots, the POV shots, the cars passing shots, the rooftop shots, exterior shots of the cars as the cars were driving by. As you could tell, these cars are very fast cars. So on the straightaways, you were doing excess of speeds of 140, 150. And at those speeds, you want to make sure that your camera gear stays on. You don't want your camera gear to fall off and hit somebody else's car. And also, you don't want your camera gear to fall off and then you lose your camera. So ideally, you want to keep your camera gear on the car without any issues. So for that, as I said, I use this right here, the TELESIN power suction cup mount. And this right here is absolutely perfect. As you can see, fully adjustable arm. This is a ball head and also ball arm. All you have to do to adjust the arm is turn and twist this, and you could position this in whatever angle you want. You have a quick attachment for your camera. As I said, I use my DJI Osmo Nano and also my DJI Osmo 360. The suction cup mount is pretty huge. As you can see, it's a big surface for the suction cup. What's good about this, it has a 2 locking mechanism. So by that I mean, the first locking mechanism is when you put it on, naturally it has a suction feel to it. So once you put it on a flat surface, you press it in, it automatically locks onto that surface. As long as it's clean, flat, dry. Bring a microfiber cloth with you. Clean, flat, dry. Bring a microfiber cloth with you. I would repeat that over and over and over, because what you want to do before you put this on, you want to wipe that surface clean. You want to get that surface dust free. You want to get that surface dry. So once you get a clean, flat, dry surface, you press it on, this automatically locks into position. Then you have this right here. This is a lever that you press and pull, and that gives you that second layer of locking protection. So once you do that, you're guaranteed to be locked into place, and you're guaranteed to be able to take these cars on the track, do crazy numbers, and your camera gear is going to stay with you. You're not going to lose any of your equipment as you're moving around. So just for reiteration, you press it. As you can see, without me locking it into place, it's pretty much locked onto here. And then once I press the locking mechanism, guess what? It's even way more locked on, right? So super locked on. When you're ready, you pop this lever up, you pull the tab up, and now you're good to go. So if you're looking for a great suction cup mount for your camera, get those nice POV shots as you're driving, as you're hitting the road, whatever the case might be, is those exterior shots, I gotta highly recommend the TELESIN power suction cup mount. You gotta admit, it's pretty dope, right? Until next time, see you guys.